Hey Grover, I'm here at Hellerick's Family Farm in Doylestown, Pennsylvania, on top of the aerial adventure. Ready, set, let's go! Woo!
The Aerial Adventure Park, there are 3 levels. Each level has 10 elements or bridges. Of those 10 elements or bridges, 3 are zip lines. You'll start off with about a 35-foot zip line, do a couple elements, do another 35-foot zip line, do some more elements, and then come back to the main tower on an 85-foot zip line.
3, 2, 1, jumping!
And then also off the main tower, we have a quick jump free fall where people can harness into that and then just leap off the tower, fall 8 to 10 feet of free fall before the device catches them and lowers them safely to the ground. What makes us unique here at Hellerick's Family Farm is that we found this company called the Safe Roller that has the safest belay system. It's called a belay, a continuous belay system that's made on the market. You take this, you slide this over a bracket, and once you slide over that bracket, you are on that one level the entire time. You cannot disconnect, you cannot remove yourself from the course in any way, shape, or form. So you'll slide over brackets around the poles, and when you come back to the tower, you'll slide over another bracket to take it off. So the only time you are disconnected from the course is when you're standing safely on this central tower.
This is level 1, I'm already terrified. Oh, this is scarier than I thought. Okay, ready?
The people that can experience the Aerial Adventure Park at Hellerick's Family Farm is anybody who's 7 years of age or older, be able to reach 60 inches with their hands held high, and be between 50 and 250 pounds.
Oh gosh. Spider Woman! Oh my gosh!
You're doing great.
Now what do I do?
Keep going. Turn left.
Oh my gosh!
You get stories and emails from people that really has changed their lives by being able to experience this and have that self-confidence that comes from accomplishing something that they didn't think they could. There we go. Better be good.
I deserve a raise for this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was.
You have to go do it again.
That was intense.
You have to go do it again. You didn't do it right.
I didn't do it right.
You did this like flinchy.
Well.